Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this short video I'm going to show you how to uninstall iOS 15 developer beta 5 from iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. First of all, we have to go to settings, then tap General and tap Profile and Device Management. Here we have to find and tap on iOS 15 beta profile. Now we have to tap on remove profile, iPhone passcode required, and tap again remove to confirm. Now if you want to restart your iPhone, tap on restart, otherwise leave it as it is and tap on not now. Now force close the settings, go back to settings, general and software update. And you will be successfully remove iOS 15 developer beta 5 from iPhone. Now you have iOS 14.7.1 to install. Now tap download and install to get iOS 14.7.1. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.